Hello, I am Billy. I work for the Griffin Trust. I do sanding, soldering, anything that comes in mind. I help other people in this place when they ever need a second hand.
Hi, I'm Maia. I work in Annibynnol. I work wash your clean, do the till, and serve people.
My name is Thomas Quinn and I work at House of Retro. I do a variety of jobs such as spreadsheets, cleaning, organisation and testing the consoles to make sure everything's up to date. We take them off the shelves, we plug them in and we check for any signs of damage, and if they need updating we make sure their software is up to code. We do everything we can to make sure they're good for people to buy.